Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming connectivity and access. Make sure your iPhone or iPad is on the same Wi-Fi network and signed into iCloud with Home Keychain enabled. This allows Home to control the speaker. Once done, ensure the Homepod is powered and within Bluetooth range so the app can see its status. Open the Home app and tap the Homepod card or the yellow update notification to reveal the available software. This is the first actionable step toward updating. Now you initiate the update. Tap Install on the Homepod update card or enable automatic updates to let Apple manage future patches. You should keep your iPhone or iPad close by because the installation is coordinated through the Home app and may require intermittent communication. Expect a 10-20 minute window, depending on download size and Wi-Fi speed, so make sure the Homepod stays plugged in and does not lose network connectivity. If prompted, follow on-screen confirmations. After installation, verify success by checking the Homepod card in the Home app. It will report the current firmware and may restart automatically to apply changes. If the speaker doesn't show the new version, unplug the Homepod for about 10 seconds and plug it back in, then retry the update. This often clears temporary glitches. If the update still fails, perform a factory reset and set up the Homepod again. This resolves most software holdouts before you escalate to official support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.